I have a 2007 Freightliner M2 with the MBE 900 engine for sale. We bought this truck new in 2007. It is outfitted with two, I believe they're 80-gallon tanks, one on each side. Yep, 80-gallon tanks. She currently has 936,000 miles and has been the most reliable truck in our fleet. We've done all the maintenance ourselves. Repairs were done by Johnson Truck Center. The most recent repair was the original turbo, which went out around 930,000 miles. I pulled it off, had it rebuilt. It is now good as new. Has a 26-foot Morgan Box with a Maxon liftgate. Which works perfectly. It has about a 2,000 pound capacity. We did all the oil changes in this truck. Oil changes were done about 10 to 12,000 miles with Mobile Delvac 15W40. It's got a belly box. It's got the low pro wheel, so it's easy to work in and out of. We did that to keep the height down. It's about 12 foot 1 inches. This truck made monthly runs to Florida and weekly runs to New York City. Mostly transport furniture and art, so it really never had a heavy load in it. It's had an easy life, mostly highway miles. It's got the Allison 3000 heavy-duty transmission, which is also original. All the PMs were done on that by Johnson Truck Center. What we did do is an underbody treatment to keep this box in good shape. As you can see, the frame rails are virtually rust-free. This truck's governed at 75 miles an hour. It's a very powerful truck. It pulls up hills with hardly losing any speed at all. This truck is more reliable than any truck we've had in the past, including this newer 2019 M2 with the DD8, which has given us many problems. It's good now, but we're going out of business, so we're selling all our vehicles. So that truck will be going up for sale once we're done using it. This truck is still in use and will be in use until it's sold. The box is made of FRP. We outfitted it with Etrack. From floor to ceiling, we have sort of a shelving system we use, so we don't have to stack any furniture or art. Some stuff on here already, but that'll be taken off, obviously. The floor is in very good shape. This truck will probably make one more run to Florida unless it gets sold before then. Inspection sticker's still good on it until May. Passes all the level 1 inspections at the weigh stations. This truck has got the, like I said, the Allison 3000 transmission, which is totally unnecessary for us, but it was a good choice. Still works perfectly. It's got cruise control, heated mirrors, jake brake, obviously power windows. It's got a dump valve, and the upgraded stereo system in here. The stereo is pretty insane. It sounds amazing. The speakers are built into the bed box here. It's got a bunk. This is the extended version, the business class M2. Speakers are back here. We installed an inverter, 120 volt inverter. It's a pretty large inverter. You can power pretty insane stuff with it. This mattress has always had this plastic on it, so in case someone wanted to sleep back here. I'm 6 feet tall and I fit back there pretty comfortably. That's a relatively new seat we put in maybe 4 or 5 years ago. It was on the driver's side, but one of my drivers didn't like it, so we moved it over to the passenger side. That thing reclines all the way back. This thing is bone cold. We'll start it up and I'll show you the engine. It's got the MBE 900. Hasn't been started in maybe 3 days. See the oil pressure in this truck is always the same. Once it warms up, it idles around 50 psi. This truck needs nothing, just needs a buyer and a driver. Some people might be put off by the mileage, but being a 2007, it does not have the DPF system. There's no need to put the DEF fluid in here. That truck there has already had a whole new DEF system put in it. It's only got 280,000 miles on it. I'll open up the hood for you. just replaced the serpentine belt tensioner. Got 2 brand new batteries in it. The front tires are pretty new. The rear tires are still passable. But may need to be changed in maybe another 15, 20, 30,000 miles. Hard to say. Tires last a long time. Everything works, all the lights work. If you have any questions, give me a ring. I'll be posting this on Facebook Marketplace. Obviously the title is clean. It's ready to go. She's ready to work. It's the most reliable truck we've had in our 35 years in business. She just doesn't care. She wants to work. Oh, I forgot to show you the underbody treatment. We put that lock on that hood because we were afraid someone's going to mess with our engine at some point. I don't know. No one ever messed with it. really good bones. It drives real nice on the highway. Oh, the lift is 2,500 pound capacity. I never saw that. Come on by and I'll take you for a test drive.